My name is Pranav. I am BTech CSA second year student. I have made jewelry management and billing software. Nowadays, you know that the gold rate changes day by day, or it changes by in one day many times also, in which your user have to change. User have to see again and again that the gold rates are same or not for his billing system. So in this my software, I have done that in my billing, the goal rate will be automatically pick up at the runtime from the Google, and it will make the billing system more easily. In which the user have don't check to again and again that the goal rate is changed or not, that the goal rate is same. And in this also I have seen that I have many user wants that the gold rate yesterday will be stored in somewhere to, so we know but these are yesterday gold rate or day before yesterday. So in this I have seen that I have done that the gold rate will be saved in a database to the SQL command, in which the gold rate will be there by date or and by time if the gold rate is changed. And the it will be more convenient for the users to see that the goal rate if it is changing, so that the user have to not add it manually by again and again that the goal rate, it will only automatically pick up by the user by the software from the Google at the runtime process. Now I will show you my demonstration of the project. If you want to improve anything in my project, you can comment me. I have now run my file, and you can see there are home, stock, dashboard and bill, employee and maintenance also. And I have make it will show the time and date also upper part, and if the user want to log out, then it can be log out from here only, not by the that anyone can do cross and close button and there. Now I will go to my build system. I have that my make. You can see that there are weight, category and rate, labor charge, GST, and there will be and there are total price. I have done that the when will be click on a radio but like category that 18K, 18 karat gold or 22 karat gold or 24 karat gold, then it will automatically take the data from the weight, and it will be automatically calculate the data. Like I am now giving that weight is 5 gram and it is 22 karat gold. Then you can see that the rate has appeared that 50,760 is rate and 112% labor and 8% GST. The total price is this. Now you have seen this my. Now I will go take you to my employee place, in which I have done that if you want to add, you can add also, and you can employee number and salary and department. If you want to update, there is an update page also and reset page also. Reset if you want to reset all the data you want to erase, you can reset it. And if you want to add, you can add and you can do submit button. It will automatically go to in database in which you have in my SQL table, in which I have made this column tables, and you will edit it. Thanks. This is my demonstration of my whole project, and I will explain my code after this. You can see that I have made the whole program in the Java using the NetBeans, and I have used the Java swings, AWT and text also, in which there have text we have used file used for simple date format and swing for a JPanel and JOption pane, and AWT for that action event and action listener, and we used, and AWT is also used for border layout and color also. Now you can see that here I have take two strings date and time, in which I have to make the two string dates and time, and I make the whole page objects name by and I have made the J panel dynamic, and I now make the constructor I have to give them memory which object I have to take that given, and I have that show date show time. So I have made the dynamic panel, and I have the set layout, that border layout, in which I have made that which location should be used for what. So I have used that void so that you can use. I have seen from the text that I have import from the file, and so time in which the timer will be used. After that, will be a that you have seen in my project. There is a home button and a that button. If you click on the mouse on click button 1, so there is a button. Okay, so home button will be button 1. So on click button 1, all will be the leave click. On leave click, there will be no click on any other button, and indicator will be shown that to set opaque true of the on click button. Baki all other hours will be false. Like you can see that if mouse button which press in IB have I given to home page, it just set visible will be false, and all the set visibles are false, and I have add panel name was my dynamic panel, and I add a paddle on panel add HO, which HO is my home page. Like that only I have done others command also same with same command on others buttons. Now there is my bill system. Uh, Build system. In build system, I have what I have done. I have made the radio buttons, and I have done that. In this, I have made the file object in which I have that file save will be an E drive, and from E drive it will pick up the gold rate and it will set on the text. And now there is a property register, employee in which it will I have used that as java.sql for SQL, connecting my MySQL with the Java and strings and AWT. And I have made that we have made the class we and constructor, we have try catch, and we have made the connection on with the SQL, and through which if any of them is empty, and by um, user, if we click on the submit button, or in if sim click on any or other button, then it will show that some field is empty, or else agar all fields are empty, so it will show that fields are empty if we want to update or if we want to add also. So if he want to update, he has to fill his that employee name is compulsory to fill him, that only it will show that the other data or it will update. And to submit, you have to hold the whole fields. If the whole fields are empty or some fields are empty, so it will be print that some fields are empty. Like you have seen that I have made the connection on, and connection that pass will be that get string. If then it will be go through the, it will be that the string set will be the string will be set on the whole. The string will be set in the text field, and after that he want to update or he want to delete, that he can delete also from the user, and he want to that's add new, to he have to fill all text field. That is my object. That you can see here that connection I have done, and the catch exception, and prepared statement, some I will use prepared statement. In prepared statement, that you have make that connection somewhere else, and you have in the other file, and you want to use some here, you can use everywhere in the whole project by using prepared statement.